Today, I am in Galmington to show you this conveniently located 2-bedroom apartment with its own private garden and plenty of street parking, just a 10-minute walk from Musgrove Park Hospital. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So if you like the look of this property and you would like to arrange a viewing, or if you're a landlord and you have a similar property and you're looking for a rental valuation, please do get in touch.